Hi, in this lecture I want to teach you how you add the cost. I also mentioned that in the resources, but specifically for adding the cost to one specific task, if you go to the detail window and then open the resource window, the resource view in the detail window. So right now I want to add a cost to this install exterior window. If I click here and I just scroll back, I should see, for example, what cost I have here. For example, I have meal here and I have vehicle rental because the project manager want to rent a vehicle in order to go to the site. So you put it here, you press OK, and now it's added. You can put a estimated estimation cost here, but during the course of project, when you are updating the status of the project, you can actually put the actual cost depending on the cost that you your chart during the project, because the cost is not down yet. You can put it here and then update it. That's the way you also assign the resource cost to one of your tasks. It's similar to the work resource and also to the material resource. Thanks for watching.